Hi there viewers and welcome back to the Learning Health and Fitness channel. Today we will talk about how to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and ligaments safely and effectively. But before that, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. There are 5 ways to make the cartilage and ligaments in your knees stronger. Most people will have a slower metabolism, forget things, and have pain in their muscles and joints. This will slow us down. Joints and tendons will definitely get worn down if you live a long time, especially if you're active or an athlete. Some people can live with this pain every day and still move through life like a snowblower. But for some people, this pain gets so bad that they can't do their normal daily things. People first look for pain relievers. Sure, they help for a little while, but once your body gets used to them, things only get worse. Now, what can you do if you don't want to spend your whole life living out of a bottle? To keep your joints and muscles in good shape, you need to do more than just work out. You also need to eat well. There are some foods that can strengthen joints and muscles even more than working out. So here's our number 5 tip. Stay hydrated. It is very important to stay hydrated every single day by drinking water. This is because your body has synovial fluid, which keeps tissues and cartilage from rubbing against each other. So if you drink enough water, your body will produce synovial fluid. And I can guarantee that nothing tastes better than a cold glass of water on a hot summer day when you're thirsty. Water is also good for your health in so many other ways. We should know why it's good for us. The helpline says that about 60% of our bodies are made up of water. That's a very large amount, so it shouldn't be a surprise that it's so good for us. Water can also help you do better in sports and keep you feeling good. It is important for how your brain works and can also affect your mood because of how it affects your energy levels. And studies show that if you get headaches or migraines often, drinking a lot of water can help ease them. Water can also help you lose weight and get rid of constipation. It can also lower your risk of getting kidney stones. So why don't you just do it? Drink up! Number 4. Take more vitamin C. You can stop the body's natural inflammatory process from happening by enhancing your vitamin C intake. Strawberries, broccoli, oranges, and tomatoes are the best foods for obtaining vitamin C. Your joints, tendons, and ligaments in your body will appreciate your efforts to maintain good health even if these meals aren't at the top of your list of favorites nowadays. Additionally, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps boost your body's defense mechanisms and immune system. And this is due to the fact that antioxidants can aid in defending cells against dangerous chemicals. Free radicals are the name for these dangerous chemicals. Oxidative stress, which has actually been connected to some chronic disease, is known to be brought on by free radicals. Your blood antioxidant levels may rise by up to 30% if you drink a lot of vitamin C, according to research from Healthline. In addition, vitamin C can help you manage your blood pressure, prevent heart disease, and even lessen your risk of developing it. Also, as vitamin C is necessary for the production of red blood cells and aids in the transportation of oxygen throughout your body, it can help avoid an iron deficit. You may not be aware, but there is a really special natural beverage that can help your muscles and joints feel better and offer comfort. Find out what it is by watching the video up until the end. By increasing your vitamin C intake, you'll prevent the process that causes inflammation to occur in the body. The best sources of vitamin C are strawberries, broccoli, oranges, and tomatoes. These may not be at the top of the list of the foods you'd like to consume, but down the road, your joints, tendons, and ligaments will thank you for staying healthy. Vitamin C is also a very strong antioxidant that can help improve your body's immune system and strengthen your natural defenses. This is because antioxidants can help protect cells from harmful molecules. Stay tuned for more tips on how to keep your joints and muscles in good shape. But first, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any videos you want to talk about, leave them in the comment section below. Number 3. Add more allium vegetables to your diet. Well, I see. We used to dislike eating veggies when we were little. It became so bad that we required rewards simply for finishing them. Well, sulfur, a mineral found in abundance in allium plants, is crucial for the formation of collagen and other nutrients required by the human bones, joints, ligaments, and tendons. Numerous studies have revealed that the body's ability to mend joints is slowed down when its level of sulfur are low. Allium veggies are excellent for your heart's health and offer a variety of distinct benefits that can help prevent cancer. Leeks, garlic, onions, chives, scallions, and shallots are examples of allium vegetables. If you want to increase the amount of these vegetables in your diet, you can serve them over salad, in stews and soups, mixed in a pasta and rice meals, and in other dishes. Number 2. Increase your protein intake. Meat is the ideal food to improve your protein consumption. They provide a lot of protein and other necessary elements. The protein will give the body the essential amino acids it needs to form cartilage and will hasten the healing process after lesions. If meat isn't your thing, you may substitute fish, nuts, and legumes, which are all excellent sources of protein. If you're looking to gain muscle and strength, protein will also help a lot. The building blocks of muscles, bones, blood, and skin are proteins. Protein helps you build and retain muscle mass while losing weight, in addition to increasing muscle growth and strength. In addition to helping your body perform better overall, protein can also help you feel less hungry. It might undoubtedly be helpful if you're attempting to lose weight. Increasing your protein intake is a wonderful strategy to minimize or get rid of cravings. By increasing your protein consumption, you can strengthen your immune system and improve the amount of fat your body burns. So boost your protein intake if you're attempting to lose weight so that you can rebuild your ligaments and cartilage. Number 1. Add bluefish to your diet. Consume bluefish to prevent the production of inflammation. Additionally, bluefish protects the body's cell membranes from the damaging effects of oxidative processes that take place during exercise. Try to eat bluefish at least twice every week. Sardines, tuna, and salmon are other healthy sources. Dr. Mahmoud Oz, MD, claims that bluefish are a good source of vitamin D. Because it is essential for strong bones, vitamin D helps lower the chance of getting the flu. If you wish to strengthen your knees and other difficult regions of your body, you should think about including them in your diet. According to current medical news, vitamin D can help prevent cancer and has been shown to lower the risk of multiple sclerosis, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, rheumatoid arthritis, and other conditions. Some foods and nutrients can make you healthier and help your cartilage and ligaments get stronger. Be sure to eat the foods and nutrients mentioned in this video to help strengthen your knees, rebuild cartilage, and rebuild ligaments. This can be done by eating the right foods and living a healthy lifestyle. You'll soon be on your way to having stronger bones and muscles. Make sure to tell us what you thought of the foods you ate to help your muscles and bones get stronger. If you're into health and fitness videos, make sure to subscribe on our channel and enable the notification bell button to be updated on all of our latest videos. Stay with us and learn to be fit and healthy. See you in the next video. Bye!